I'm Christine, the anxious beginner. And that's Palais, our fearless captain. Together, we've bought a 45-foot sailboat, and we're ready for an adventure. Hi! I'm going to the boat show.
Good morning. We got a bit of a late start, but today's the Vancouver Boat Show. I've been to a boat show a very long time ago when I was like a little kid. So I have vague memories of what it's like, but I'm excited now that I own a boat and I can go look at all the things that I can't afford anymore because I bought a boat.
All the toys. But first, breakfast. Hot chocolate and delicious gluten-free waffles to give us the energy that we'll need. Now let's get on over to the boat show. First, we're gonna go to the docks to check out all the boats.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
For the boat, you should really think about joining the BCA, which is a really good thing because so many courses, so many infos and talks they have. It's really good information.
Let's take a look inside some of these fancy new boats.
I know, right?
The cat life is pretty relaxing. I could get down with this trampoline business.
So nice.
I had a trampoline as a kid, and like this is not the same as a proper trampoline, but like I remember relaxing on the trampoline. It was good. Can you imagine if it was like a hot day, but having the breeze underneath you would be so nice?
Yeah, for sure. That cat life.
But look at this big old window. Oh yeah. There it is. We're gonna go check out this boat.
So welcome aboard the Delta Lifeboat in 1944 in Pearl Harbor. She was an admiral's barge on one of the aircraft carriers back in 1944. And she's done different things, and as she's converted, she joined the fleet.
And search and rescue?
Yeah, we do. We're all part of the SAR right now.
Okay. How does that work when a ship is in distress with like the Coast Guard has contacts with the various search and rescue things?
Well, they'll be on the radio or to do an SOS or whoever they contact. There's a channel 16, which we're always monitoring.
Yeah.
And they'll give their problem, hopefully give their position.
Yeah.
We can zero in on them, and off we go. Anything that's got to do with the ocean.
Yeah.
If they need monitoring or protecting, we'll do that.
And how are you funded? Like, do you get government grants, or is it people donations?
I'm going to ask you to put some money in our box.
Okay.
So we operate by people just giving us donations.
Nice.
The carts and the pots going.
Okay. How many people typically crew when you're out?
About 6 crew.
Okay.
There's bunks down there for four people. And then in the galley area, we convert the seating into bunks.
Oh, it's lunchtime.
Such as it is.
Great little galley.
Be a different one. There was a boat movie in the same colors.
Cool.
We use that for practicing for life
Nice.
This is like a suit that would keep you afloat?
It just helps to keep them warm. It's not waterproof. It's not a dry suit, but it does allow a certain amount of thermal protection. You could be in the water for probably half an hour. Before we got in, it was me they were chucking overboard. Our inflatable rigid hull rib and Oscar's bed. Complete volunteers, as you can see by the modern contraptions we have on the bridge for communications. We have this white part for the chart room. If you want a cup of coffee, Wheelhouse Bridge. 2 coffee please, 1 lump. Yeah, we have a little bit of fun as well. You know, this is a boat for serious stuff, but on the water you've got to have a sense of feeling as well. Some of us are ex-mariners and others are just land lovers that enjoy the water scene. A good group of people in it's a mixed crew and ages 18, 19 and up.
Now we'll get good service now, right? I'm pretty sure that's how it works. You tip the rescuers, and then when you need rescuing, you get good service. I'm pretty sure.
No, you're thinking of firefighting in New York.
Oh.
That's 34.
Oh. All right. Well, now that we've checked out the docks, it's such a beautiful day. But now that we've checked out the docks, we're gonna go over and check out BC Place and see what kinds of things that they will try to sell us. Look at these shoes.
Oh my gosh.
Aren't they great? I need them. As much as I needed them, I didn't get them. While this jacket was way out of my price range, I later found a sweet deal on it somewhere else in white.
And how many inflations and deflations will they last?
Oh, it has a 3-year warranty on it.
Okay.
I'm not sure specifically how many.
Right. I make up that's
quite a
probably
bit.
what's gonna actually wear it out is how often you can use it, right?
And we also do the custom covers on them as well.
Right.
You put your boat logo on it, or there's really no into what design we can
What
do.
does that one cost?
That one is about 200 Canadian,
Okay.
147 in US.
And this is very breathable, so it goes through the side. Yeah.
These springs can be adjusted to be more or less firm to provide the right amount of support and contour for your body. They're pretty cool.
What are your thoughts? Microfibers.
I feel like, yeah, we should do it. I think it's actually a good deal for what it is. And we want something like that.
Yeah, because the size is right.
Mustang pink offshore It's got the spray hood at the back with the pocket to hide it away when you're not using it. And then in the pocket in the front here you have the leg harness, which is, I believe, like a requirement nowadays.
Is this that's the harness hook
Yes,
for?
and this is the harness hook.
These look like fancy adjusters here. Is there?
Yes. I believe that they're just very durable adjusters, right?
Okay.
They're not going to come out. They have a lot of friction here.
Right.
They won't move once you put them in place.
Oral inflate. Oh, this is like the manual.
So if you open this up, inside here, just inside the rip zip,
Right.
you've got the oral inflator. It's very comfortable. I have put it on before. You're welcome to if you wish.
Yeah. Can I put it on?
Absolutely.
Here.
So this inflatable is completely certified for pub racing, like offshore racing and everything, but we've got the spray hood and the leg strap all built in.
Can you breathe? Or is your head just in a bag?
One of the cool things about this vest is because when you're sailing, we've got a lot of ropes and boards everywhere. So this device here, the inflator, they changed it, and I believe it was taken off of like a public safety vest, and then it's streamlined, so there's a lot less likelihood that something can catch on it compared to our traditional one like that.
Like that, right.
Oh yeah, there's breathing holes in there.
Now I just sit and wait.
Well, it's on sale for $383.99 Canadian. This is our last.
Women's sizes are coming next year. That's the current situation.
Okay.
If you enjoyed joining us for the boat show, go ahead and click the like button. And if you'd like to support our channel, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell.